Welcome to CDG Inspection, a leading testing laboratory trusted worldwide. We specialize in BSN 600-682-64 to 2008 testing services, ensuring your furniture meets the highest environmental standards. Environmental testing under BSN 600-682-64 to 2008 helps ensure durability and performance in real-world conditions. Our testing simulates real-life vibration stresses, ensuring your furniture withstands transport, use, and environmental challenges. Our cutting-edge technology and skilled experts deliver precise results every time. Ensure your products meet international quality standards and gain a competitive edge. Partner with us to enhance product reliability and customer trust. Our testing services have helped countless manufacturers optimize their designs and build superior products. Environmental testing also supports sustainability by reducing product waste and improving longevity. CDG Inspection is your trusted partner for BSN 600-682-64 to 2008 testing services. Visit our website, www.cdginspection.com, to make an inquiry today. Our testing processes are designed to deliver precise and actionable insights. At CDG Inspection, we're committed to providing unparalleled quality and service. Visit www.cdginspection.com to learn more.